this trading strategy might be one of the only strategies you need to become a consistently profitable trader. And I was debating making this video and saving it for our private trading community, but I decided to make this video anyway. And I just want to say shout out to Grail Trading in the Discord for really opening my eyes up to the concept of this trading strategy. Now, before we get into this, our Christmas sale is still live. So use code EasyXmas for 30% off any subscription plan of your choosing. This deal is not going to last long, so make sure to go and grab EzAlgo if you haven't already. And I promise you're not going to want to miss the updates that we have coming soon. All right, now that's out of the way, let's jump into the strategy. So I find this works extremely well anywhere from a 15-minute to a 2-hour time frame. So obviously, if you're in a lower time frame, you're going to get more trades as opposed to a higher time frame like a 2-hour. And I'm going to actually turn off the trend dashboard and the reversal bands, and all we're going to keep are the buy and sell signals and the auto support and resistance levels. Now, this trading strategy involves the use of the Fibonacci retracement tool. So this is a free trading view tool. I'm assuming most of you have heard of this or are familiar with this tool. And the way I was using this tool for the longest time was only trading the golden pocket. If I draw this from the previous swing low to swing high up here, you can see that we barely missed that golden pocket. So quite frequently, especially when you're trading cryptocurrency, price will not come down to the golden pocket. So how do we get around this? Well, we use the 0.5 fib as well as the golden pocket for our entry. Draw the Fibonacci from the previous swing low to the previous swing high. Make sure you have an EzAlgo support zone somewhere around here. And if you get something like this where the EzAlgo support zone is right between the 0.5 and the golden pocket, this strategy will work like 90% of the time. And if you don't believe me, you can go back and backtest this yourself. Yes, this works on regular candles as well, so not only Fibonacci. And just for this video, we will use the standard Japanese candles just so I can show you guys how powerful this strategy is. So like I said, right, you're on a 15 to 2 hour time frame. You're going to draw out your Fibonacci with the 0.5 in the golden pocket, and these levels are actually going to be your entries. Now, it's very important that you're trading with the trend. So what does that mean, right? Well, we're in an obvious downtrend right here. So really I'd be looking for short positions only. But after we got this pump up, right, and I saw we formed this higher low, because previously we had this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. After I saw this higher low right here, this tells me that we're out of this downtrend. Even for the time being, right? It might not be a full trend reversal, but for the time being, I can look for long position. So get out your fib, draw from the previous swing low to the previous swing high, and you will see the 0.5 and the golden pocket levels. Now, like I said, these are going to be your entries. So you could do Alt J for that horizontal ray on the 0.5, and you could do the 0.618 or the 0.65. I like the 0.618, so Alt J, and you can change the color of this to whatever color you want. I'm going to change it to the colors of EzAlgo. I like that light blue color. So now we have our entries in place. And I forgot to mention real quick, your stop loss is going to be between the 0.786 and the starting swing low. So right around here is going to be your stop loss. Now, personally, I like to have a little bit tighter stop loss and a tighter invalidation level. So my stop loss in this case would probably be between the 618 and the 786. So somewhere around here is going to be your stop loss. So we're going to put our stop loss in yellow. So your first entry here at the 0.5, you will put half of the amount that you would normally put in for one single trade. And if it hits the 0.5 and rejects off of it with a mild buy signal here on EzAlgo, then that is great. If for some reason it doesn't bounce off of this 0.5 and falls right through to the 618, that's when you dollar cost average and put the second half of your trade in here at the 0.618 with your stop loss right below that. So you're not relying on the golden pocket to be getting hit, because oftentimes, especially when you're trading cryptocurrency, the golden pocket doesn't always get hit. Now, a lot of the times it does in my experience, but here is a prime example in recent price action that it actually did not hit the golden pockets. So in this case, you're not dollar cost averaging, but at least you're getting in at the 0.5, and you are going to be getting out at the next EzAlgo resistance level, right? So you probably be getting out right around here. Now you could sell part of your position here, move your stop loss to break even, right? So you sell, half of your trade here, move the stop loss to break even, and you'd still be in the trade now. If you're just starting out, I recommend having a set take profit. So just take profit at the next EzAlgo resistance zone, and you can see that's almost a 2% trade on no leverage. And also by waiting for the 0.5 and the 0.618 Fibonacci levels, it kind of keeps you out of some bad trades. It keeps you from FOMOing into trades where normally, you might want to jump into a long somewhere around here, but you understand, okay, number one, we're not at a key Fibonacci retracement level, And number two, we're not at a key EzAlgo support level, so there's no need for me jumping into a trade right here. So you're waiting for the retrace, wait for price to come back down to the support zone, right? Always look left. We have previous price action here. We've got rejected from this level previously. We come right back to that level, hit that 0.5, and we bounce from there. Now I'm gonna actually show you a trade that I posted in the premium Discord. So congrats to anyone who actually got in this long position. But this was one of the trades I posted in the Discord, and it was the same thing. I drew the golden pocket from the previous swing low to the previous swing high. I also noticed that there's an EzAlgo support level right here. What happened? We came right back down to that 0.5 level. So we got in the trade there with our first limit order, and it did not hit the 618. It almost did, but that's okay because we did get in the trade regardless. Now, if you want even more confirmation, what you can do with this strategy is actually wait for a reaction from this level. So instead of setting a limit order, you could wait for your first bullish candle off of this level, right? So for example, we came down to the 0.5 and we have this bullish candle with a mild buy signal on EzAlgo. That can be your first entry right here. And then if price comes back down to the golden pocket for whatever reason, and you see another reaction from the golden pocket, you can enter again. Now, something else you can do for setting your stop loss is just closing the trade manually after price closes below the golden pocket. So if for some reason price were to come down here and close under this golden pocket, then that would also be a good time to sell your position because, in my opinion, your trade is then invalidated. And if you got into that trade, that was a nice, at maximum around a 4% move, probably would have gotten out somewhere around here at around a 3% move. And I'll show another trade I actually posted in the Forex chat in the Discord. It was the same thing on gold, right? So I drew this golden pocket from the previous swing low to the previous swing high. And I also noticed that we were in this parallel ascending channel. So I was waiting for price to come back down to this EzAlgo support level. And we also had confluence with that 0.5 Fibonacci level. So that would have been your entry right there. And price has gone up quite a bit since we hit that 0.5 level. So if you have other confluences like price action, EzAlgo support and resistance zones, you will be in the money. Now this will take some time to get used to drawing the Fibonacci levels, but once you get this down, I'm telling you this strategy is money. Make sure to get EzAlgo, first link in the description below, so you can try this out for yourself. And also I want to shout out Grail Trading in the Discord for really putting me onto this strategy because it is very, very powerful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you had a great holiday, and I'll see you guys next video.